Access the general data from the Navigator's Building Data section. In the Site window, set the city and geographic coordinates. Using the Generate from Geographic Data function, get the relating Meteonorm climatic data. Or precisely locate the site using Google Maps. Once the site is located, the geographic coordinates are automatically updated. According to the new geographic coordinates, the Meteonorm climatic data are also updated. Or import hourly climate data from other sources in Energy+ Standard Weather Data Format, EPW. Consult, for the chosen location, the average external temperature and the global solar radiation on a horizontal plane for each hour of the day throughout the year. In addition, in the General Data Calculation window, set the protection from wind conditions.